Hi guys, I'm back for another installment of our collage paper. This is a piece of a good old Amazon box, any corrugated cardboard. Now the thing about this is that I really like to use this in my collages, but it takes time to get it to that spot. And sometimes if I'm working in my art journal, I don't want to take the time to do it. So having a piece or two of it ahead of time really helps to have it ready, almost ready. You can always take some more off or make it more grungy. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Obviously, I don't save these little tiny pieces. They're just too much fuss. But I usually save the bigger pieces like this one or this one because I like that texture as well. Sometimes it comes off better than others. This was one I did earlier. And there's a really nice texture on the back side. The big thing is that by having these pieces to this stage, if I tear a piece off that I want to use, okay, so I'm going to use this chunk in my journal. If it's not quite grungy enough, I can tear off some more. Or if it doesn't look quite what I want, it's not so hard to get to the spot. That took some time to, I've sped the video up to just do this one piece, but it does take time. So if I have to stop when I'm working in my art journal to do that, I don't always do it. So having this ready, having these pieces ready, really makes it easier for me to go on with the next pieces. So I know this is something really simple, guys, but I don't know if you thought about doing it ahead of time or if you're using this kind of paper in your journals. I love it. I love it as tags. You can actually cut this up and make it into a tag. It's a fabulous product. And it comes into my house bringing other things with it. So that's just a quick little collage paper for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.